Vortex, yes, we have heard it time and time again, but do we truly understand it? We're going to focus on the word vortex. In this vortex, it weakens in the summer and strengthens in the winter. It's basically a large area of low pressure and colder air at the Earth's poles. But the word vortex, that refers to the counterclockwise flow of the air holding that cold air towards the poles. And when it weakens, we then feel those bitter cold temperatures in West Michigan. So today's experiment, we're going to dive deeper into vortices by making your own vortex rings. Pretty cool. So here's a list of what you need to get started. First, a small plastic bottle, a balloon, scissors, and matches. So you want to first take your scissors and then take your bottle and cut the top off. Then take your balloon and cut the larger or the skinnier end off of the balloon. And then basically open your balloon like such and put it over the bottle to make it look like this. Then this is where you need mom and dad. You want to light some matches and blow them out right towards the top of the bottle. Throw the matches in, either put the cap on the bottle or hold your hand there. Now you have to wait. You have to wait for smoke to build in this bottle. Once you do so, you want to either take off the cap or release your hand and then hit the bottom of the balloon. We have a video of a closer look of this. You want to focus what's coming out of the bottle. It's really hard to show on camera, but every time you hit the bottom of that balloon, you are seeing one of those vortex rings pop out. And here's why. What's happening is when you hit the bottom of the balloon, you're forcing that air out, but it's acting in a different way. The center of the air is moving faster. It's causing low pressure. Then the air around the rim of the bottle is moving slower due to getting friction from the bottle, and that's causing that high pressure. The difference between that low and high pressure, the winds are spinning. They're causing a vortex, vortices, basically spinning air. So every time that you hit the bottom of the balloon, you're causing a lot of little vortices to form then that vortex ring. Really cool, so much cooler to see in person when you can see it up close. And there's so many different ways to reference this back to weather, not only polar vortex, but we see winds acting like this with tornadoes, tropical cyclones around dust devils, so many things where we can relate back to a vortex. So